Hello everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today we're taking a look at the Bissell FlexClean FurForce robot vacuum and mop, a smart cleaning solution designed specifically for pet owners and busy households. Combining robotic vacuuming, mopping functionality, LiDAR navigation, automatic dust collection, and specialized pet hair management features, this robot aims to make floor cleaning more automated and efficient than ever. One of the biggest highlights of the FlexClean FurForce is its dedicated pet-focused design. Pet hair can be one of the most challenging cleaning tasks in any home, but Bissell addresses this problem with a no-tangle pet brush roll. Instead of constantly stopping to remove wrapped hair from the brush, the system is engineered to minimize tangles and maintain consistent cleaning performance. The robot combines both vacuuming and mopping functions in a single unit. This dual-purpose design allows it to remove dust, dirt, pet hair, crumbs, and everyday debris while also helping maintain cleaner hard floors through mopping. For homes with a mix of surfaces, this combination can significantly reduce manual cleaning effort. Navigation is powered by advanced LiDAR technology. Unlike basic robot vacuums that rely on random movement patterns, LiDAR creates detailed maps of your home for systematic and efficient cleaning. The robot can navigate rooms accurately, avoid obstacles, and optimize cleaning routes to improve coverage while reducing missed areas. Another impressive feature is the liftable mop pad system. When the robot encounters rugs or carpets, the mop pad can automatically lift to help prevent wetting carpeted surfaces. This intelligent transition allows the robot to move seamlessly between hard floors and rugs without requiring manual intervention. Battery performance is another strong point. With up to 180 minutes of runtime, the FlexClean FurForce can handle large homes and extended cleaning sessions on a single charge. This extended runtime helps ensure more complete coverage before returning to its charging dock. The automatic dust collection system further enhances convenience. The included docking station can store collected debris for up to 60 days, reducing the need for frequent bin emptying. This hands-off approach is especially valuable for busy households that want minimal maintenance. For pet owners, daily cleaning becomes much easier thanks to the combination of strong suction, anti-tangle brush technology, intelligent navigation, and automatic dirt disposal. Pet hair, dust, and allergens can be managed more consistently with regular automated cleaning cycles. The companion smart controls allow users to schedule cleaning sessions, customize cleaning areas, monitor progress, and adjust settings according to household needs. This flexibility makes it easier to maintain clean floors even when you're away from home. Overall, the Bissell FlexClean FurForce robot vacuum and mop delivers an excellent blend of smart navigation, pet-focused cleaning technology, vacuuming and mopping functionality, long battery life, and automatic dust collection. For homeowners seeking a low-maintenance robotic cleaning solution designed specifically for pet-friendly households, this model offers a compelling package. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, be sure to check out the product using the link below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more reviews, comparisons, and buying guides here on Gadgetverse.